Hello lovely YouTube family, and welcome to another highly informative video. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to convert a text or even a script you've written down for a particular purpose into a video using AI. So yeah, without wasting much more time, let's get right into it. So the very first thing you'll want to do is to go to the site called deepbrain.io. Okay, now you want to go to the site deepbrain.io. As you guys can see, this is it over here. And now please note, you can as well do this on your mobile device. Okay, you simply want to head to your mobile web browser. It could be Chrome, it could be Safari, whatever browser at all, and you simply want to insert deepbrain.io, and yeah, you'll be brought to this exact page as you guys can see on my screen right now. Now, once you're brought to this page, you can simply click on and allow all over here. And now you want to click on get started. Okay, you want to click on get started. Now, once you click on get started, you simply want to select what you want to use the video for. You can as well go for anyone over here. It doesn't really matter. Okay, so let's go for business, for example. Now, this is where you want to insert your video script, but then it doesn't really matter. Let me just say hi kid Kes. Okay, the main aim here is to create an account. All right. And now once you're done with this, all you have to do is to click on generate free AI video now. So as you guys can see, it's going to tell you to sign up. But then to make things faster, you can simply sign up with Google, so you can automatically use your Google account. Now I'm just going to select my Google account over here, and then I'm going to click on continue. And now once you're done with this, it will take you to the main dashboard. And yeah, like I said, it's the same thing on your mobile device. All right. Now, as you guys can see, we're here in the main dashboard for DeepBrain AI. Now, you can see quick start over here. We can see topic to video, we can see article to video, documents to video, and also URL to video. Now, all you have to do is to select the one you're most interested in. Let's say I want to go for topic to video, for example. Okay, just an example. Now, all you have to do is, whatever topic you're thinking of, let's say it's about food or it's about fashion. Let's just go for fashion, for example. Fashion styles. All right, so this is the title. All right, so fashion styles. All I have to do is to go for generate an AI video. So once you click on generate an AI video, it's going to generate a video based on this topic, fashion styles. And all you have to do right now is to sit back and wait for it to be done. And now once it's done with generating the video, all you have to do is to come here to where you have export. But then if you still want to edit some things, you can come here to editor, and then you can see you can select next, you can select next over here. And now you can look at what the video is about. We have scene 1 over here, we have scene 2, scene 3, and finally scene 4. So if you want to edit probably the comments, you can as well come here to edit the comments. If you want to edit anything at all, if it's the model, probably want to change the model to a guy, for example, you can come here to let's say this lady or this guy, whatever one you're okay with. But then yeah, you might have to upgrade to get more avatars. But then I'm just going to go for this free one over here. And now if it's going to be the caption style, if it's going to be for you to add more pictures, you can as well do that over here, as you guys can see. This software is actually very, very awesome. But then once you're okay with everything, all you have to do is to come here to export. All right, and now once you click on export, you want to come here to entire video, and then you want to click on export. All right, and now all you have to do is to simply wait for it to be done exporting. All right, and now our video is done exporting, and then they always send the video to your mail. If I simply open my mail right now, they actually sent me a message that it's ready. Okay, so it's gonna happen to you as well. Okay, as you guys can see over here, your video is ready. Okay, this is it over here, your video is ready. All right, so watch your video here, or you can simply just go back here to the dashboard, and then this is it over here, view video. You can as well download it. All right, you can just click on download, and then it's gonna download. All right, but then to view the video, normally you can just come here to view video. Okay, once you click on view video, and here
Ever
we
wondered
can.
how fashion styles have evolved to
So this is how the video looks like. If you guys surely learned a whole lot from this video, make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Drop a comment down below if you have a question. I am always ready to answer whatever question you might have. So yeah, drop a comment down below, drop a like as well, and I will see you guys in my next highly informative video. Thanks for watching once again.